2021 si Kalindo si Kalindo, winner ng 503 kilometers from Dannevirke. So guys, samahan nyo ako. Yeah.
You want to put the info?
Yeah, I'm here now. Yeah, he's Kalindo. He's a winner of 2021. It's Dannevirke. 2022.
2021.
Yeah, the last race. Yeah, he win Dannevirke 503 kilometer. Right?
Yeah, that's all.
That's but that bird. His name is Una.
Yeah, Una.
Yeah, which one?
Down there.
Oh, under the corner.
Yeah.
This one, the bluebird.
Yeah.
What is ring number?
872.
872. How about his his race on the first? It's
She's good from the beginning anyway. So.
from the beginning.
Yeah, even when the training, she and messmate really good.
Oh, really good.
But last
Is it cock or hen? It's a hen, right?
That's the thing.
It's a hen. Where's the cock? His nestmate.
No, his messmate missed last race, same race.
Oh,
Yeah, still waiting for him.
how about his parents? He's still there.
Parents with the Terry Brown.
Terry Brown.
He's the breeder, so
Oh,
Terry Brown's give me that.
they give me also two bird, but they lost also in the race.
He gave me 4 birds. I lost. While training, I lost 1 bird, but while racing, I
Oh,
lost
okay.
another 3.
What is the bloodline?
That's a mixed bloodline. That's what I say. All other birds from Flint and Kerry Fraser from Auckland.
From Auckland.
This is all my new breed.
This one a new breed.
Breed season, yeah.
So you will race this one on the all bird.
Season, yeah.
Almost stir of
8 here and 10 plus 10 there. All cock birds there, hens here.
almost white of color.
Yeah, I like the colors. Yeah.
It's greens. What is the bloodline of green seal?
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
That's all. This birds from all Kerry Frasers.
Okay, please. Can you look inside? Oh,
It's a cock section. There's a middle one for the youngsters.
oh, young, and this one is for the.
Oh, okay, another one.
Yeah. Hey guys, this is Una. What means Una? It's first?
Is that you?
Yeah, in Philippines also it's Una. Yeah, it's first. That's why maybe it's Una. But I'm looking in the what you call it?
Oh, Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, but the Una is not.
Yeah, but
But in the Philippines, that when you count one, that is first. Una. Is it born or? I raised 24 young bird. Almost half of my bird is sick.
yeah, that's 10.
But I raised five bird. But my first arrival, I did not raise. Yeah, it's early. Almost the time when we 3 o'clock. We offer, but suddenly did not put in the race.
When we are in the racing date, I'm not here. So she's here before I came here. So maybe
So this is only one you have here. The blood type.
yeah, I lost other one. But that one better than this.
I think the picture is big. Oh, I saw in the email of Terry.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't have for his poo poo.
Feeling is hard fun.
Hey. Guys, there's Una. So ayun guys, dito na yun guys. Thank you for welcoming me.
Thank you very much.
Kalindo. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
See you on next race.
Yep. All Sri Lankans, please subscribe to this guy. This is Mer Phil. He's a
Mer
nice
TV.
guy. Mer TV. So, it's a YouTube channel. Just please subscribe to everyone. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bells. And see you on next